Nobody likes to see their name at the bottom of the rankings or associated with a low score. This is why I suggested to you that you measure your gains and losses during the first half of the game differently. True EPS can be calculated simply by taking your posted EPS, the one from the last year's Camera and Drone Journal scoreboard, and adding the total amount of R&D you spent and divide the R&D by the number of shares you have outstanding. For example, if your posted EPS is 97 cents and you spent $100 million on R&D and you have 19 million shares outstanding, then the true EPS that you are able to get is $6.23. That is what true value you're bringing. Now look at the scores of the last scoreboard. Are you certain that these competitors aren't getting true EPS numbers that are higher than you and will someday unlock that R&D advantage for them and pass you in the rankings? Scores that are sending your group to the bottom when it really counts at the end of the game? Remember, number one, the investor expectation standards at the beginning of the game are pointless. Only the end game scores matter, because that's what your professor will mark in his or her gradebook as your grade. Two, if you invest $1 in EPS into R&D now, you will get more than $2 back. Watch this one next.